This is class 1 sample paper for the final exams of mathematics. So the question is, draw beads to show the given number on the abacus. So it is number 15. तो हम यहाँ पे tens and ones की हेडिंग बना लेते हैं. Tens and ones. Ones के नीचे कितने आएंगे? 5. तो यहाँ पे हमें 5 बीड्स लगाने हैं. 1 2 3 4 and 5. एंड वंस के अंदर हमें चाहिए ओनली 1 बीड. सो वी विल ड्रॉ only 1 bead here, and in this it is only once 9 beads. So we have to put 9 beads over once. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and the last one is number 9. So this is for number 15 and this is for number 9. Next question is, add and subtract the following numbers with the help of number line. 2 plus 8. So this is number 2. 8 add करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So we will write here number 10. Next is 8 minus 6. This is number 8. So 6 in backward position. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 8 minus 6 is number 2. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order में सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा होता है. So number 15. So we will write here number 15. Next is number 18. Number 18. After that number 19. 1 9 19. After that 20 20. So it is 20 20. Next is subtract by counting backward. 14 minus 4. So here we will write number 14. Now you have to count backward. So what comes before 14? 13, 12, 11 and 10. So the answer for 14 minus 4 is 10. Next is 19 minus 5. So we will write backward counting. This is number 19. 19 से पहले क्या आता है? 18, 17, 16, 15 and number 14. So this is number 14. So 19 minus 5 is 14. 19 minus 5 is also 14. So the next question is, Ria has 14 toys. Her sister gave her 2 more. How many toys does she have altogether? Number of toys Ria has 14. Her sister gave her 2 more. So how many she has? 4 plus 2 is 6 and here is number 1. So total she has altogether, Ria has 16 toys. Next is Tom and Jerry bought 17 apples. Altogether they have 17 apples. Out of them 11 were bad. Out of them 11 were bad. How many fresh apples do they have? So we have to subtract 17 minus 11. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the number of fresh apples left is 6 only. So this is the worksheet. Thank you for watching.